Today we're going to learn how to solve three variable systems with one equation. The first equation is 4x plus 2y plus 3z equals 12. That's the first equation. The second equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5z equals negative 7. That's the second equation, negative 7. The third equation is 6x minus y plus 4z equals negative 3. We're going to be solving for y at first. So I'm going to use the first equation and the third equation. So I'm going to line them up. So it'd be 6x minus y plus 4z equals negative 3. We want to make it so that the y variables can eliminate. So you're going to multiply the bottom equation by 2. So instead of 6, this would become 12. Y would become negative 2y. 4 would become 8. And negative 3 would become negative 6. Now you're going to add this all together. So you'll have 16 plus, this would eliminate, leaving 11z equals 6. Now to move on to the second part. This is a whole new equation. You're going to take the second equation, 2x minus 3y plus 5z equals negative 7. And you're also going to take the third equation, 6x minus y plus 4z equals negative 3. In this one, you want to make sure the y's cancel out. So you're going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 3. So instead of 6, this would become negative 18. Instead of negative y, it'd be negative 3y. 4 would become negative 12z. And then the 3 would become a 9. And then you're going to add. So this would become negative 16. These cancel out. Minus 7z equals 2. Now, you're going to take the last equation you got from the last step and you're going to add it to the first step. So it should look like this. 16x plus 11z equals 6. And negative 16x minus 7z equals 2. So these would cancel out. Now this would become 4z equals 8. Z would equal 2. And x would equal negative 1. Now for step 3, we're going to substitute in negative 1 for x and 2 for z. So you're going to rewrite the original equation from equation number 3. So it'd be 6, now replacing x with negative 1, minus y equals, plus 4, replacing z with 2, equals negative 3. So this would come out to, the answer you should get is y equals 5. And that's how you solve for y. The solution would be x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 2. It would be negative 1, 5, 2. To make sure this is the correct solution, you can plug it back into whatever equation you want and you should come out with the same answer.